Hello, today we will guide you through how to adjust investment growth rates in ProjectionLab. To get started, open your browser and go to the ProjectionLab app. This is the workspace where you can experiment with assumptions and instantly see how they affect long-term outcomes. On the landing page, choose Sample Plan. The sample is a safe sandbox with preloaded data, so you can practice without touching your own numbers. Once the plan opens, head into Settings. This area controls the fundamental assumptions that drive every chart and projection. In the Settings menu, select Growth Rates. Here you'll find the return assumptions used for different asset classes. Next, open Advanced. The Advanced panel exposes more granular controls, letting you fine-tune how returns are modeled rather than relying on a generic default. Within Advanced, choose Stock Growth Rate. This setting represents the annualized return assumption for equities in your plan. Click Growth Rate to edit it. You can type a percentage or use the on-screen control to adjust it. Take a moment to pick a number that reflects your expectations and risk tolerance. As a general tip, consider using a range that aligns with long-term, diversified stock returns after accounting for fees and your personal mix. More conservative numbers can make your plan more resilient. More aggressive numbers might project higher balances, but also increase the risk of shortfalls if markets underperform. After entering your desired percentage, confirm your change by clicking the check icon. That saves the new assumption and applies it across your plan. If you want to experiment, you can repeat this edit to see how different rates influence cash flows and net worth trajectories. ProjectionLab will recalculate using the updated growth rate so you can compare outcomes over time. A quick best practice. Adjust one variable at a time and note the value you used. That way, if you prefer the earlier scenario, you can easily revert to it. Also remember that growth is only one piece of the puzzle. Expenses, savings, and asset allocation all interact with this setting. Keep your inputs consistent and review them periodically as your situation changes. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the right place, opened the advanced controls, selected the stock growth rate, edited the percentage, and saved it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refine your plan's assumptions. When you're done, continue exploring the plan to see how timelines, milestones, and retirement readiness respond to your updated inputs. You can always return to settings and growth rates to refine these figures as markets or your goals evolve.